Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopefully you are all fine at home. Welcome to the Darul Arqam School FB area campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for class 6 English. Today we are going to learn about the unit 21 from your grammar tree book, that is verbs, the present tense. In this lesson we are going to have a revision of two tenses. Those are simple present tense and present continuous tense. Let's review about simple present tense first. Simple present tense is usually used for the habits, for truths, for general facts, for future timetables or schedules. In this tense, we usually use the first form of the verb. And for negative and interrogative, we use do or does. While in present continuous tense, that is also called present progressive tense, this tense is used in happening actions which are happening right now, the actions which are fixed plans, temporary actions, trends, longer actions in progress right now. And for present continuous tense, the helping verbs are is, am, are, with verb first form with ing. And for negative and interrogative also the same helping verbs are used. Let's revise the structure now. We are going to have a comparison of structures of simple present tense with present continuous tense. So let's focus about the affirmative first. In affirmative simple present tense, subject comes first, then verb first form with s or es according to the use or need, and then object. While in present continuous tense we have subject, then a helping verb is, am, are, proceeding with verb first form with ing, and then object. In negative we are having, for simple present tense, subject plus helping verb do or does plus not plus verb plus object. Again here the verb is in first form. While in present continuous tense negative, after subject comes the helping verb is, am, are, then not for negative, and then verb with ing and object. In interrogative, the question sentences in simple present tense, do, does, the helping verb comes first and proceed and followed by subject, verb and object along with the question mark. In present continuous tense interrogative, the helping verb is, am or are come first along with the subject, then verb first form with ing followed by object and question mark. Now let's open your book, your grammar tree in your unit 21. Okay, we are going to do the exercise A in unit 21, and you have to write a date on your book first. Write down the date on page number 103. There is exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Here 10 sentences are given for us. The verb is in a bracket. We have to write the verb using the first form, but with s or es. Let me give you one trick. There is one magical trick for using s and es. Whenever there comes he, she or it, I am repeating once again, he, she or it, we use the verb with es or s. अगर किसी भी नाउन, अगर कोई प्रोनाउन ही, शी, इट एज अ सब्जेक्ट यूज हो रहा हो तो हम उसके साथ वर्ब में एस या ई एस लगाते हैं, उसे प्लूरल बना देते हैं. और अगर इन्हीं प्रोनाउन को एज अ नाउन आप थिंक करो तो उनके साथ भी एस और ई एस लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सेंटेंस नंबर 1 इज द हार्ट डैश सर्कुलेट ब्लड इन द बॉडी. हार्ट को अगर आप देखें तो थिंक के तौर पे यूज़ होता है, और हार्ट के लिए हम प्रोनाउन क्या यूज़ करते हैं, इट. और अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया, जब हम इट के साथ वर्ब लगाते हैं तो एस और ई एस ऐड करते हैं. सो लेट्स ऐड एस और ई एस एज नेसेसरी. कैलकुलेट में देखें ई आ रहा है लास्ट में वॉवेल, तो हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ एस ऐड करेंगे और ये प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब बन जाएगा. सो लेट्स राइट द आंसर, सर्कुलेट्स. गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? तो हमने क्या करना है, एस और ई एस लगाना है उन सब नाउन के साथ जो रिलेट करते हैं कौन से प्रोनाउंस को, ही, शी और इट को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, असलम डैश टीच ज्योग्राफी इन स्कूल. असलम ही, और ही के साथ हम प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगाते हैं, तो टीच का क्या हो जाएगा? यस, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, टीचेस. Okay, in the same way you have to complete the all 10 sentences. But keep this in your mind कि जहाँ do और does लगा हो वहाँ हम verb को plural form नहीं बनाएंगे. Clear? There is one more exercise on the same page, page number 103, that is exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. हमने अभी structure में पढ़ा that we have to use helping verb is, am or are in present continuous tense along with the verb first form with ing. ing वाली form use करते हैं हम verb की is, am या are के साथ. Let's do sentence number 1 together. Have you seen Rahman? Yes. He dash work in the lawn. अब ही के साथ हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाएंगे? is, am या are. are यूज होता है प्लूरल यानी बहुत सारों के लिए, am यूज होता है प्रोनाउन आई के लिए, और is यूज होता है सिंगुलर के लिए. ही सिंगुलर है, एक ही लड़का है, सो लेट्स यूज is विद इट, और वर्ब में ing लगा के इसे ing फॉर्म का वर्ब बना देते हैं. तो क्या सेंटेंस होगा? हैव यू सीन रहमान? यस, ही इज वर्किंग इन द लॉन. गॉट इट बेटा? नाउ लेट्स डू नंबर 2 सेंटेंस टुगेदर. माई मदर डैश वॉच अ मैच नाउ, प्लीज कम बैक लेटर. माई मदर सिंगल पर्सन है, इस एम आर में से क्या यूज करेंगे? यस, वी यूज इज. एंड विद वॉच व्हाट विल वी ऐड? वी ऐड ing. So what will be the answer? Yes, absolutely correct. My mother is watching a match now. Got it? The same way you have to complete the rest of the sentences. Now here comes your homework, bete. You have to make a title page of unit 21 on your notebook and then complete exercise A and B of page 103 on your grammar tree books. Okay? Do it on the books only. That's all for today. See you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.